Imagine waking up tomorrow with zero AI skills, no coding experience, no degree, no job. But you have one laptop and internet. So if I had to restart my AI career from scratch today, this is exactly what would I do. Not what colleges teach, not what random influencers say. This is the roadmap I genuinely believe gives you the highest chance of getting an AI job or earning money through AI in 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, my name is Srinivas. So on this channel, I simplify AI agents, automation and career guidance. So anyone can build a successful future with AI. So let's begin. We will begin with a few steps. Step number one is stop learning everything. The biggest mistakes beginners make is that they try to learn everything like machine learning, deep learning, Python, cloud, prompt engineering, LLMs, NLP, computer vision. And after 6 months, they are still beginners. So instead, pick one direction. For example, if you want AI development, so learn Python and machine learning. And if you want AI automation, learn ChatGPT, Anytime, Zapier, and AI agents. And suppose if you want data science, so focus on Python, SQL, pandas, and visualization. So just follow one path, don't follow multiple paths. So you will be confused. And basically remember that one path, one goal. Step number two is that learn Python first. Python is the language of AI. Don't try to master everything. Learn only what AI actually needs, like variables, loops, function, list, dictionaries, and file handling. Then move to libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn. That's enough to build your first AI projects. Step number three is that build projects early. Most students spend money watching tutorials, but companies don't hire tutorial watchers. They hire builders. So instead of watching 100 videos, first of all build real world 5 projects. For example, we can take here is that a chatbot using ChatGPT AI, a resume screening AI, a customer support assistant, stock prediction model. You can also create disease prediction model. So if you create real world projects, you will get that experience and you can add in your resume. Because every project teaches some new, projects becomes your portfolio and portfolio get interviews. Step 4 is that learn AI tools. Today AI industry isn't only about coding. Companies want people who knows AI tools. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, GitHub Copilot, Cursor AI, Perplexity, N8N. Because these tools can make you twice as productive. The person who knows AI tools often finishes work much faster than someone who doesn't. Step 5 is that build your online presence. This is where most people fail. They learn but nobody knows they exist. So create a LinkedIn profile, post your learning journey, share your projects, write about what you have been building, upload GitHub repositories, create YouTube videos. Your online profile becomes more important than your second resume. Sometimes what happens is that companies contact you before you even apply because they see your profile. Step 6 is that learn AI agents. So if I would start my career today, I would spend serious time learning AI agents because this is where the industry is heading. Learn how AI can read documents, use tools, search the internet, generate reports, send emails, automate workflows, and companies are already heavily investing in AI agents, and this demand is only growing. Step number 7 is that don't wait until you're perfect. Many people think I need one more course, I need one more certification, I need one more project. No, just apply early and you will learn more from interviews than from another tutorial. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Next is my complete AI roadmap. So if I had to restart today, this would be my roadmap. In month 1, I will learn Python. In month 2, learn machine learning basics. In month 3, build real world AI projects. In month 4, learn AI tools and learn how to automate them. And in month 5, learn AI agents and build practical projects that how to build actual AI agents. In month 6, create content on LinkedIn and GitHub. In month 7, start applying for internship, freelance work and AI jobs. That's exactly what would I do. Then we'll come to conclusion part. Remember, AI is not replacing everyone, but people who know how to use AI are replacing those who don't. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you found this roadmap helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI content every week. If you want any kind of AI training or one-to-one AI consulting, so I have provided my mail ID in the comment and also in the description. So anything related to AI, so you can mail me on that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.